Hi, my lovely viewers. This is Innovative World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial, I am going to show you how to disable autocabel in Cisco Packet Tracer. So for this case, we have to open the Cisco Packet Tracer software. So here already I have opened it. So here we will take some kinds of device like PC, laptop, or a router. So first we will see it is the connections. Say at the auto cable, so click here, then go to this and this. We can set it easily. But if we want to disable this connection, then we can do it properly. So before that we will delete. So how to delete? So select this, see, delete. Now we want to disable this. So go to options, so preference. Here the interface have the disable auto cable. If we mark this, see, and cross it, then again we check, see, auto connect is disabled. So in this way we can disable this connection. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.